GM Cardano, I'm Lloyd Duhon, and this is Governance Matters. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Cardano Civics Committee, a key player in the ecosystem's governance structure. As 2024 draws to a close, it's an opportune time to review the committee's recent achievements and ongoing initiatives. The Civics Committee has been at the forefront of shaping Cardano's governance processes. Their efforts have focused on community engagement and ensuring transparency. Let's examine some of their recent developments. The committee is currently supporting 63 workshops across 50 countries to gather feedback on the draft constitution. This global initiative underscores their commitment to inclusive governance. In July, the committee hosted a Constitution Draft-a-thon in Longmont, Colorado. This event brought together stakeholders to refine constitutional details, marking a significant step in the drafting process. Additionally, the committee has formed a governance support working group. This group is tasked with determining the budget needs for supporting the Constitutional Committee and DREPs, laying the groundwork for sustainable governance structures. The Civics Committee itself comprises 9 voting members. Currently, a significant election is underway for 4 of these seats. 18 candidates have put themselves forward, reflecting the growing engagement within the Cardano community. Voting opens on October 4th and will continue until October 18th. Looking ahead, several key initiatives are on the horizon. Preparations are underway for the Constitutional Convention, scheduled for December 2024. This event is expected to be a pivotal moment in Cardano's governance evolution. Following the convention, the Constitution Ratification Working Group aims to submit the new Constitution as an on-chain governance action. The committee is also finalizing its recommendations for the 2025 Cardano governance budget, a crucial step in ensuring the ecosystem's continued development. For those interested in the ongoing election or seeking more information about the candidates, they can visit the official Intersect election page on the Intersect knowledge base. As we approach these crucial elections and the upcoming Constitutional Convention, the Civics Committee's role in Cardano governance remains more critical than ever. We'll continue to bring you updates on the election results and other significant developments in the Cardano ecosystem. Governance Matters Cardano is made possible in part by a grant from Intersect. Help support good governance by liking and sharing this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. GM Cardano.